All right, so I'm always talking about change can be fast, change can be easy. It's so easy and effortless and lazy to pull it out of your soul, out of your subconscious, and that all is great. But sometimes change still feels scary, and that's a reality. Just because the steps are easy, just because the process is easy, doesn't necessarily mean that the feeling you get when you're doing something new also feels good and easy. One of the most important steps that we normally have to deal with, maybe not at the beginning, but pretty soon after you start making big progress, is making that big progress feel safe. I'm sure you've been in a situation where you've gone and tried to change something and you've started to see success, and that becomes a little scary, even, subconsciously, and all of a sudden you find yourself self-sabotaging. Most of us live in a state of anxiety like 24/7. And the minute that anxiety starts to go away, guess we better pick a fight. Guess we better go on a shopping spree. Guess we better binge eat. It's a little uncomfortable to just stay at that new higher level vibration, that new version of you who's actually making progress and success, because guess what? There are consequences to success. This is something we deal with in hypnosis as well. It's something I always count on seeing from my clients, and it pops up at different times for different people, but it's also one of the core pieces. As you begin to make change, you're going to need a strategy to allow your subconscious to accept that change as your new normal, to feel really comfortable with it, to know that it's safe to be at that new level, and to continue making progress. It's one of the easiest things to fix with hypnosis because, again, if your subconscious mind is doing it, it knows why. So we can use that subconscious process to help it learn that the new thing is safe. But it's also one of the most difficult challenges in healing, because I know when I went through it, the books don't cover that. They don't talk about what is supposed to happen when everything is going right and, oh my goodness, things are starting to work. It begins to feel really challenging and a little bit uncomfortable, because what are you supposed to do? Complain that you're happy? Complain that you're getting results? No. Use the tools, use the hypnosis, and begin to make the new version of you safe for your subconscious mind. I've got multiple recordings for this, and of course it's something I work on with all my private clients, but knowing it's coming is half the battle.